Down, down.
Sitka Outdoors. I'm making this video today for my buddy Eli, who has requested more of these. So I'm going to show everybody what it is I do when I have to come in and work on a Saturday. So that's about that. I do have Sitka. That is her spot. And yeah, it's a beautiful day out here on the water. I'll show you as we go and take some footage and yeah, follow along. That's the Dakota Creek Shipyard. Wheelhouse looks like. And this is my office. Pretty good view. Cypress Island. Doing dog. Come on. What are you doing? Oh, Sitka. Once in a while we come down on deck to stretch a little bit, get some sun, look at the view, just pretty nice. Frost Island right there. Not too shabby. It's a pretty good gig, not gonna lie. I don't know where my dog just went. She was down here with me. Anyway, we've got Sylvan Cove right there, Eli. What are you doing, Sitka? She doesn't want to go down on deck today, apparently. Fair enough. What do you think, dog? You're a good dog? Yeah, you're a good dog. Anyway. takes us about 2.5 hours to get from Anacortes to where I'm going today, which is Friday Harbor. I'm gonna go pick up a semi-truck that is full of stuff. Anyway, that's not important, but I'll film all that. And yeah.
Royal Princess, this is Seattle traffic.
for watching Nate and Sitka Outdoors, and we'll see